So here we have the ingredients. In the ingredients I have some coconut. This is grated coconut. Sugar, I leave it up to you how much you want to add it. This cardamom I have peeled and ground it into coarse. And I have silvered almonds and few strands of saffron, and also a liter of milk which is boiling. So we want the milk to be really boiling. Now lower the flame and then we are going to cook it. So as it is boiling, make sure you stir it very nicely. We don't want it to stick to the bottom, as well as we don't want it to burn. So make sure you stir it very nicely, and don't leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes like this also. I mean, don't let it cook itself even for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you stir it very nicely, and make sure you use some full fat milk for better results. So now it has been around 2 to 3 minutes since the milk is boiling. We want the milk to reduce till 30%, then we'll add some more ingredients. I mean at 30, when it's 30%, then we'll serve it. So when it is about 50 to 60%, at that time we'll add some more ingredients to it. So now it is looking that it's somewhat reduced, but we are going to reduce this, we are going to reduce the milk little more. So it's a work for patience, so make sure you stir it very nicely. Now as the milk cooks, it may not be so frothy. I mean, the milk will not come to the rise continuously. It will come for some minutes and then it will not be again and again coming on the rise. So when it reduces, that's a good sign that the milk is reducing fast. And make sure you reduce it at the medium flame, not lower, not higher. Now the milk is about 50% and it's looking very thick. Now we are going to add some ingredients to it so that we can flavor it. Here I have some coconut. If you want, you can skip it, but I like the flavor of it, so make sure you add coconut to it for a better flavor. Almonds, you can also add cashew nuts or raisins, but I like almonds. And some cardamom powder. I am going to leave some more cardamom powder so that we can decorate it later. About 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder at this time. And also I am going to add few strands of saffron. If you add saffron now or before now, then you will get a perfect yellow color in it. If you add later, then the milk may not be yellow in color. I mean that kesaria color we say na, kesaria color, we will get that kesaria color in it if you add it raw. So we are going to wait for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's some more thick, then we are going to check. So now the milk is looking very nice, as well as it's some more thick. Now it's a time to add some sugar to it. We'll add some sugar to it, but make sure you stir it. Make sure you take your spoon to the bottom and scratch the bottom, and make sure you stir it very nicely. Now I am going to add some sugar to it. I leave the sugar part to you, how much you want to add, how much you want to it's up to you. I am adding about 5 to 6 tablespoons, and then mix it once and then cook for about a minute or so that the sugar melts, as well as the rabri gets little bit thinner, as well as it cooks again after it's thinner. So in the minute everything can happen, as the rabri is very hot. Now the rabri is looking very nice as well as thick. If you want to serve it hot, serve it right away, but as we are going to serve later, we are going to cook for some more time. You can see that did you see that grainy texture? That grainy texture is a sign of that rabdi is cooked very nicely, as well as if you stir nicely, the rabdi will get that grainy texture, and then grainy texture is very tasty, and it feels very delicious while in mouth. So now let's keep it in the fridge. So after keeping it in the fridge for about 2 hours, it was some more thick, so I added some milk to it. So you can add some milk to it if it's too thick, and make the good consistency out of it. So now you can see even the grainy texture here. The grainy texture will make it more delicious. So I have served with it. You can serve it to a way. I have served with some almonds and cardamom.